CO2 laser engraving involves burning a logo into a product by removing the top layer of the item to expose the second layer. This branding method can replicate original logos with great accuracy and in minute detail, with subtle yet impressive results. It is a permanent and classy way to brand certain organic materials like glass, leather, and wood. Debossing is produced by pressing a metal die in the shape of a logo into the surface of a product, using both heat and pressure, creating a permanent stamped impression below the product's surface. This subtle and classy branding method creates a unique 3D look and is ideal for genuine and imitation leather products as well as PU. Due to the cost involved in making a die, debossing has a higher initial setup cost compared to other forms of branding. This is, however, a one-off cost and is not applicable to repeat orders if the artwork remains unchanged. Hot stamping with foil is a process that involves transferring a thin foil to the surface of a product by applying heat and pressure using a metal hot stamp die, leaving behind an indentation of a pre-selected foil color. This branding method is ideal for genuine and imitation leather products as well as PU, and creates an exceptional superior imprint with a shiny metallic sheen. The reflective properties of this attention-grabbing branding method are great for adding shimmer and texture to highlight various elements of a logo or message. We provide foils in a number of colors, including black, blue, copper, gold, green, light blue, orange, red, rose gold, silver, white, and yellow. Screen printing is the process whereby a logo is exposed onto a mesh screen, with the blank areas coated with an impermeable substance. Ink is then liberally applied to the top of the screen, and a squeegee pushes the ink through the screen in the areas where the logo has been imposed onto the surface of the product. Colors are printed one at a time, so accurate registration is essential. This branding method is ideal for branding flat or cylindrical objects with large printing areas and is a cost-effective solution that is perfect for larger quantities. It provides excellent coverage and is especially good for large and bold logos. Screen printing allows for up to a 6-color print and is ideal for bags and t-shirts. It can also be used for items such as umbrellas, coolers, notebooks, and folders. Digital printing on bags is achieved by printing a full-color digital image onto a special transfer paper. This paper is then coated with a unique powdered glue, which is cured onto the ink with UV rays. Thereafter, it's placed onto the product, which is inserted into a heat press, and the heat from the press allows the print to be transferred directly onto the fabric. This branding method is perfect for complex logos with multiple colors, shading and gradients, small text and intricate detail, as ink is not absorbed by the material, resulting in sharper artwork with excellent clarity even on textured fabrics. Digital printing on bags produces high-impact, photorealistic results that bring a brand to life, and differs from screen printing in that only one setup charge is required, no matter the number of colors being printed. This UV printing process provides for the application of a superior quality, photorealistic full-color digital wrap print directly onto drinkware by way of a rotary inkjet printer. Great for printing artwork with vivid colors, multiple tones and gradients, this branding method is ideal for replicating logos with fine detail and small text on cylindrical products. Employing the latest customized UV technology, this digital printing process involves the transfer of ink from the print heads of an inkjet machine, allowing for full-color, high-definition digital images to be printed directly onto the front cover of notebooks. Ideal for printing intricate logos and graphics with multiple colors, shading, gradients, and small text, this high-impact branding method produces excellent clarity with photorealistic results, no matter how complex the design is. Direct-to-product printing provides for the application of full-color logos directly onto the product. By using specifically engineered jigs, a specialized digital printing head transfers UV-cured ink onto flat or slightly curved surfaces with photo print quality and bold, vivid colors. This high-impact branding method provides a way to print permanent, full-color logos and can be applied on many shapes and sizes. It offers larger print areas on many products, can print very close to the edge of flat items, and only requires one setup charge, no matter how many print colors there are. Embroidery is the art of decorating fabric with designs stitched in strands of thread. Marathon thread colors, which work along the same basic principle as Pantone colors, are assigned to a logo, which is digitized into a format that is recognized by the computers that drive embroidery machines. The thread is then automatically stitched onto the product in the form of the logo that was input into the machine, with the quality of the embroidered logo being determined by the quality of the digitized file. Suitable for both flat and irregular surfaces, embroidery is a classic decoration technique with a high perceived value and allows for logos to be branded in up to 9 different thread colors. Embroidery is long-lasting, upmarket, and provides a great way of adding logos and artwork to apparel, bags, headwear, and other textile products. On the downside, embroidery is not ideal for reproducing artwork with small text or fine detail where the artwork may close up. Laser etching uses a state-of-the-art laser to remove the dye from the material surface of a garment by way of a laser etching technique, creating a modern tone-on-tone look which cannot be replicated by any other process. The only branding method that can be applied across zippers and over buttons and seams, this process creates highly detailed images and logos without damaging the garment or compromising the integrity of waterproof material. Laser etching is resistant to fading and offers a subtle, sophisticated branding solution for clothing. Pad printing is an offset printing process that involves ink being transferred from an engraved metal plate onto a product via a silicone pad, creating an image on the product. Each color is applied separately, but the detail in the print can still be excellent. It is one of the most popular and affordable ways of branding promotional products due to its ability to reproduce images on uneven or curved products and print single or multiple colors in a single pass. A great all-round solution that's fast and economical, this branding method is suitable for nearly every surface and shape and is favored for small items like pens, key holders, and torches. Full-color digital printers fitted with sublimation ink are used to print logos or artwork onto special transfer paper. From there, the paper is automatically cut to the correct size and shape and placed onto the surface of the product being branded in the area being branded. The product is then placed in a press, which applies heat that causes the inks to migrate from the paper onto the product. The flexible characteristics of the product are not affected since sublimation ink is actually a dye. There's no ink buildup on the finished print as the ink simply transfers to the product so that it looks like it's part of the item. This branding method is ideal for producing multicolor images with gradients, halftones, and shading. Unlike screen printing, where a setup charge is incurred per color printed, only one setup charge is incurred for sublimation printing, irrespective of the number of colors in the logo. Belly bands can also be used for business applications, such as vouchers and invitations.